In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Confluence API. We'll start by creating a secure API token in your account and then use that token to make a request in Postman so you can see real data come back from your Confluence site. First, sign into your Confluence account. Up at the top right, click your profile and open your account settings. In the settings view, head to the security section along the top. Scroll down until you find the area labeled API tokens. Choose the option to create and manage tokens, then select Create API Token at the top. Give your token a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize what it's for later, and pick an expiry date that fits your needs. Shorter expirations are generally safer. When you're ready, click Create. You'll see your new token, copy it right away and store it somewhere secure. Treat this token like a password, don't share it, and if it's ever exposed or no longer needed, come back to this page to revoke it and create a new one. Now let's use that token in Postman. Open the Postman app and click the plus button near the top to open a new tab. Make sure the method is set to GET. In the URL bar, paste the endpoint for your site. Use your own Confluence company domain in place of the example one and point it to the v2 page's endpoint under Wiki API v2. Your URL should match your organization's site and space configuration. Before you send the request, we need to authorize it. Click the authorization tab under the URL bar. Change the type from no auth to basic auth. For the username, enter the email address you use with your Confluence account. For the password, paste the API token you just created. Postman will handle encoding those credentials and attach them to your request. Go ahead and click Send. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a green 200 OK status in the response area. The body will return JSON with a list of your pages. If you don't get a 200 OK, double check that your domain is correct, your token hasn't expired, and that your email and token were entered in the right fields. That's it. You logged in, created a token, copied it securely, and used it in Postman with basic auth to call the Confluence API. Keep your token safe, use expirations to limit risk, and revoke tokens you no longer need. Thanks for watching.